Take your time. It's a big pond. See, those bubbles are methane bubbles. Lots and lots of methane. Some are out.
Color there to the right, and
Yeah.
color is before someday they have the big rain. So they have
Maybe you can get the water in top.
in the top.
Yeah, see how clean it is.
他现在还在讲话。
27号中午11点。
给点时间。喂，你好。